What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day with the Auto Works. Today is all about the SprayMax system. What is the SprayMax system, you're asking? Some of you might already know, some of you don't. Some of you are new to painting, some of you have been doing it for 20, 30, 50, 80 years. So what it essentially is all that you see here, bases, clears, spray guns, compressors, everything, all in one. It is in a can. What it is automotive paint that you can get mixed in cans, guys. So you can get it done in base coat, you can get it done in single stage. So if you don't have a spray gun, if you don't have a compressor, and you ain't got the money to go out and spend thousands on getting the best setup, if you don't want to go buy an electric Wagner gun and try to learn with that, you can do it with a spray can. Same stuff you get at Walmart pretty much. Rust-Oleum and all that type mess. You know, if you're used to spraying that, you can spray this. And it works out great, guys. I'll put a picture up right here. I shot one of my bumpers for my Dodge Neon SRT4 I had a few years back in it. Color matches up pretty good. And you can get it tweaked, guys. And essentially what it is most of your auto parts stores, like Napa, like I work at, carry an exclusive line of SprayMax products. And they have a hopper where they can mix everything in. What they do is they mix a 4-ounce pint of whatever color you choose in either base coat or single stage, and they have this hopper that they use to actually fire it into the spray can. So you end up with this. The color is actually on top. They give you a little sample. They can mix stuff up. They can blend it. They have a gun where they can shoot your panel on your car if you take it into them, and custom match and mix colors, guys. So if you need to do a small job, just spray out a corner or something like that, blend a panel that you fixed or whatever, this is perfect for that. Or if you just want to go all out and say, hey, I don't want to spend the extra money on a spray gun and compressor setup, I just want to do it the old-fashioned way with a bunch of cans, you can do it too. And what's cool about it is you can get all your custom cool automotive colors. You don't have to stick with the boring old bland colors you get on the shelf at Walmart, the Rust-Oleum colors. Hey, you know, most of those are flat colors. You do have some metallics, but say you go to the auto parts store or you look at a car rolling down the road and it's a factory color and you're like, hey man, that color is cool. I'd like to paint my car that color. But I don't have all the accessories and all the money I need to, you know, do it full scale with paint guns and everything else. No problem. Get it mixed up in a can in the SprayMax. So what's cool about SprayMax too is they have a variety of different kinds of product, guys, from spot blenders to gun cleaners to headlight clears to regular clear. They have satin clear, they have matte clear, they have clear gloss glamour. And these cans are actually pretty cool right here. I'm going to show you this in a few minutes. Kind of sets it apart from all the other clear coats and stuff like that. But SprayMax sells a great product, guys. It's great for blending stuff. It just works. So let's go over some of the ins and outs of the SprayMax system. Alright guys, so as I said, you can get all different types of different automotive sprays mixed in a can now. And dude, it is a great option. I've shot blend panels. I've done a whole lot with just little cans like this. You can get all different colors mixed in. Like I said, as far as this goes, this right here is base coat, and this right here is a glamour clear, and you can get matte, satins, everything else. But what sets this apart, guys, is if you notice, it's got this little red cap right here, and there's a little trigger up under it right here, and you take this little cap off right here, and this is actually 2K clear with UV protection in a can. Now, most of the stuff you get at Walmart and everywhere else, if it's 1K, if it's the 2X stuff, the Rust-Oleum MS, it has a 0 UV protection. So what that means is 6 to 8 months down the road, sitting out in the sun, it's going to start yellowing, it's going to start cracking. And most of the time with that type of stuff, you can't buff it, you can't do anything with it. It sprays out, it usually dulls off, and it just doesn't do it, guys. But this right here changes the game, because you got a hardener agent built into the can. So when you actually trigger the system right here, you take the cap off, you put it on the bottom, you smack it on a table or something like that, it releases the hardener into the can, and then you got 24 to 48 hours to pretty much unload this can on wherever you want. It gives you an excellent finish. It has a hardener agent built into it, so that means you can wax it, you can buff it, you can make it shine just like any other automotive paint or clear. So that's a great option. As I said, they also carry spot blender. What that is if you decide to blend a panel and you need to transition it, that transition line, you can spray it with that spot blender and it transitions everything out. They carry epoxy primers, they carry direct metal primers, they carry weld through primers. Dude, they got little cans. If you don't want to get a whole big can, they got shorty cans that's half the size of this. And usually the prices on it range from about $20 to $30 a can, depending on what you're going to get and what kind of color you get mixed and everything else. So, you know, it is a little bit more pricey than, say, your over-the-counter Rust-Oleum paint. But, hey, look what you're getting. And, I mean, like I said, you can blend panels. You know, if you got a fender that needs to be repainted or a hood or something like that, you can pick up a can of this, and for less than $100, you've blended it yourself instead of going to the daggone body shop and getting charged $500 to $1,000 for somebody else to do it. And like I said, the other cool factor is, say your fender's damaged or something like that, and you just want to get the color matched. Well, you can take it right up there. You ain't got to settle for whatever's up in the can. They can shoot it with that little gun. They can mix it up. They can do a little spray out for you and get the color directly dead on. And then put it in the can and you're ready to go, guys. You just prep your panels like normal and you spray it out with the can. And in the next couple of videos, I'm going to be showing some of my DIYers, the ones that don't have the money and everything to do a full-on custom spray setup. I'm going to do some videos covering a full base clear job on a fender for, you know, doing a panel. I'm also going to be spray clearing some headlights with this stuff too, guys, to show you that you can get an excellent finish and you can restore some of your stuff with it. But the Spray Max system, if you haven't already, guys, look into it. Visit your local Napa store or call around. Some of O'Reilly's and other auto parts stores have it too. You just have to call your local auto parts store, see if they mix paint, and if they do mix paint, say, hey, do you guys have the Spray Max system? Can I come check it out? And it's a great option, guys. So that's going to be it for this video. I know it was a short video, but this is kind of my introduction for you guys into the Spray Max system. We got many more videos to come. I got a right-hand drive Cressida coming back that we're going to be painting again. So we got paint jobs coming too. And I'm going to do a little bit of videos for everybody, guys. That's what this channel is all about, saving money. Whether you're the guy with a paint booth and you just want to learn how to do something, you want to see me waste the product and mess up before you go out and waste your money, or you're the guy that just wants to get into painting, and hey, everybody can learn how to use spray cans, guys. So anyways, this is the Spray Max system. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe on this video. Let me know if you've used the Spray Max system, what's been your situation with it, how have you liked it, and if you're new to it or whatever and decide to use it, you know, let me know how you liked it. But that's going to be it for this video, guys. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video. And there's many more to come with Spray Max and paint jobs, all on all the cars. So I'll see you on the next one. Real quick, guys, before you go, Whitley Auto Works is now carrying merch. We have 2 different shirts to choose from, as well as this cool hat. And I got many more things to come on the website. It's bonfire.com/store/Whitley Auto Works. And all you got to do is go down in the description of this video and any other video I got. Click that merch link and it'll take you to the store. You can check out and everything's shipped to you super quick. And guys, it's excellent stuff. It's great quality. I have it myself. And hey, it's a great way to support the channel. I appreciate you guys for watching either way, even if you don't buy anything. But just letting you know, it is an option. Holidays are coming up and we have it for sale. So anyways, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you on the next video and stay tuned.